Hello friend, welcome to the Go Digital Masterclass. What we'll be talking about today is Facebook page creation. When we're talking about e-commerce, we are talking about using Facebook, Instagram, and WhatsApp, then creating a payments platform where people can pay for your goods before you package it for delivery. So what I'll be showing you now, or firstly, is how to create page. My name is Kamarudin Adonli. I will be your digital marketing coach. So if you have your Facebook account, make sure you log it on your computer. It can be your Chrome or your Firefox browser, any browser you are using. Now if you log on to your page on your Facebook account, you will have all this menu available for you. Now there are multiple ways to create Facebook page. Is either you decide to go to facebook.com/pages. Okay, that is the first step. So once you are on this page, if you have pages which you've created before, you will see them on this angle where that is showing pages. But if you don't have any page, you will see this create new page at the top here. So all you just need to do is click on create new page, or which other way is available. If you open your Facebook account, facebook.com, you will have this 9 dotted line which is menu. Click on it, then you will have this create at the top, post, story, room, then click on page. Once you click on page, it will take you to this part where you are going to put your page name, category, then description of your page. After that, you upload your profile picture, then cover photo, then voila, you've created a page without stress. Now what do you do from here? You are going to put your page name which you want to create. Based on the fact that I will be taking you through how to create e-commerce store and how to sell online even without having your own website. This is what we'll be doing. So I'll be creating a page for fashion boutique. So pay attention. So my page name is going to be Kings and Queens Fashion Boutique, or let me just say Kings and Queens Boutique. Okay, so once it mark it green, it means that page name is acceptable. Then the next thing is you go on and put your category. My page is all about boutique, so type boutique in the search, in the category aspect. Something's supposed to come up but nothing is coming up. Maybe it's network, I don't know. So let me put, you can also put shopping store. Okay, it has come up. So let me go back and put boutique. Yes, you can see boutique store. So after that, put description. Buy all kinds of and many more. So after that, click on create page. Make sure the character you are putting in that description does not exceed 255 characters. So once you click on create page, it will bring where you are going to. You can see Kings and Queens was created. Now you can add images or go to your page to add more details. So now you can see the description here, you can see the add image. So click on add profile picture. I want to make sure this video does not exceed 10 minutes. So once you click on add profile picture, locate where your make sure you've gotten your profile picture ready, then locate where it is on your computer, then add your profile picture. Your profile picture should be a square image. That is a recommended profile picture. It should be a square image. So after that, go ahead and add your cover photo. Once you add it here, it will reflect here. You can see Kings and Queens Fashion Boutique. So add your cover photo. Now your cover photo size should be 400 by 150 pixel. That is one of the recommended size of cover photo. So I have my cover photo with me. If you don't have one, get a graphic designer to design your cover photo for you at a very cheaper rate, and you get it delivered to you on time. So, or better still, you can go on canva.com and learn how to create a cover photo and a profile picture for yourself without being a graphic designer. So it's loading. So once it's fully loaded, you will be able to see it here. You can see now this is how it looks like on desktop. Let's see what it looks like on mobile phone. You can see it looks gorgeous, in fact, both on desktop and on mobile phone. So it looks very okay, and I love it the way it is. So that's very good. So after that, click on save. In fact, I love the way it come out. Now, voila, we've created our page. So Facebook is going to recommend you to connect your page to WhatsApp now, but most of the time they don't accept this method for new page. So I'm going to just leave it and come back to that later. So now we've created a page. So other settings that we need to do on our page is what we'll be looking at now. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to look at the kind of let me say theme I'm using on my page, or let me call it tab. So there are a lot of tab, but before we even go into any other thing, we need to change the kind of way our page appears to people. Now let's see how this page looks like to anybody that is coming to this page to maybe to get information about our page or to pick some of our products. So click on this angle that is showing interacting as Kings and Queens Boutique, then click on it. Then select your own account. It will show you your account here. Select it. So the page will change its appearance from the way it is now to the way it will appear to anybody that is coming to your page newly to see what you have on your page. You can see this is what they will see on your page. You'll be able to see your logo, your cover photo, then your name. Then what they are seeing here is send message. Although we've not set this, Facebook set this automatically. Then they'll be able to see how many followers you have on your page. They'll be able to see the kind of category of your page, information about your page. Then if you have groups, events, review, or any other things on your page, you'll be able to see it. Now if you are creating a store or a page for store or for commercial purposes like selling of products and services, or people will come to your page to pick some products or to click on some product in order to buy, you need to change the way your page appear. You should not be using the default page settings. So I'm going to go back now and interact as the page owner itself. So in my next class, I'll be showing you how to customize your page and change the way it appears to people. So see you till that time. Bye bye.